Today we are gonna make chocolava cake in microwave and cooker both. All the ingredients are shown on your screen. So first melt chocolate and butter in a double boiler. For making a double boiler, heat water in a pan. Put the heat-proof bowl on the top. Make sure water does not touch the bottom of the pan and melt the chocolate and butter in it. Now sieve all the dried ingredients in a bowl. Add all the wet ingredients in it, including our melted butter and chocolate mixture, and mix it well. Add milk little by little to see its consistency at a time. Our batter should look like this. Now grease silicone molds with oil and pour the batter in it. Bake it for 7 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius in oven, or preheat the cooker and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes at medium-high flame. Our delicious chocolava cake is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.